What is going on, everybody? How's it going, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on the 2007 Toyota 4Runner Sport Edition with the 4.7 liter V8 four-wheel drive with the dual ARB air lockers. All right, so here is the limited bezel that I painted. It's got 5 slots. Looks really nice. Like the way it came out. It's dry. And then here is the one I took out of the truck. It's only got 3. It's missing these 2 right here. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the little side cubby with the 12-volt plug. This little cubby box. So how you remove this box is there's a clip on the left side. There's a little tang on the right side. There's a little clip here. And there's a clip. It's not really a clip. It's just kind of like a tang that just sticks out. So what you want to do is you're going to want to push this side in, like so. You're going to want to push this side in. You might need a screwdriver, which would have been helpful if I was prepared. Okay, just a small little screwdriver. So this one on the outside is actually pretty easy to push, and you just kind of hold tension on the side of the panel. This one right here is a little harder to get. There we go. You get those 2 in, and what you do is you push the bottom side in, and then you're going to want to squeeze it past this lip at the top. Trying to get this without causing any damage. No. This one right here has a little felt pad on it, so it's actually kind of hard to get out. There we go. And it's popped out. That is how you remove that. Okay, and then you can clean this if you want. You can check the spring and the hinge mechanism. Just locks like that. Get any dirt or hair off of it if you want, if you have any dirt or hair. This one has hair from just standard, people being in the vehicle. My wife, she sheds a lot. So I'm going to leave this black. I actually think it's going to provide a nice contrast, and I'll show you guys what I mean. It's got a lot of dust in it for me. I leave my little pack of cigars in here. All right. So we're going to flip. I'm just going to bring this little baggie in. That over. Okay. And then to put it back in, let me get this clean. All right, so all I did was just use some purple power to just clean anything that was on it up. I didn't clean the inside, not worried about it. Usually these little covers are actually broken. This one's actually on the verge of breaking. But, so it's easier to leave the lid, the lid open. And then grab this guy, flip it over. The lid goes on the inside. Hold on real quick. That was my bad, guys. I was trying to put it in the wrong side. This is the shifter side where your shifter is. So, like this. Slide her back in. So this one's going to might be a little bit hard to get in because I have some paint here. Okay. Kind of just slide it up and just work it back and forth until this top tang pops over that lip. Sometimes it can be a pain. Sometimes they do not want to function. There we go. It popped over the lip. And then we just swing this guy up the best we can. There we go. So I peeled off a little bit of paint. It's okay. That's not a big deal. So there we go. So this clip, there's a slot here. Looks like it's a little bit wide for some reason on this one. You can flip it over. It didn't latch. That's why. So go to this side. You got to get it in these little grooves on this side. So I'll bring you back when it's done. Alright, so we are back. So I got it flipped over the lip. There's a little lip on this side you have to put it in. And how you do that is you just push the container up and then squeeze the side over, and it will literally latch into place. Now, lid closes like that. Looks actually pretty nice with the black. Now I'll show you guys. I had a little bit of paint I had to remove. That just some little clear coat and paint that was stuck there stopping it. And then these two, I'm going to put these in for now. These are just little plugs. I have extra of these because I removed a bunch of the blanks to put slots in. And then this guy right here, this is actually going to be facing, this is where the shifter goes. So it's actually going to face this way in the vehicle. Like so. So this DAC switch, I'm going to put it in right here. There we go. And I'm going to take you guys out and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once it's finished being installed. It's kind of the best angle I can give you guys, but here's my front locker switch. I just made sure that the wires were connected in the exact same spot. So you're going to want to plug in a couple items. You're going to want to plug this little white plug goes in here for the 12-volt plug. There we go. You can swing this to the side. This blue plug goes to the DAC switch. There we go. This plug right here is this green one. This is for this switch right here, my air locker switch. Okay. Plug that guy in. And then here is my rear locker switch. Right here. Unplug this guy. Put him in place. Rear locker. Put the plug in. Oops. There we go. Now you just swing it over. Make sure all the wires sit flat. Push. You're going to want to push it into the groove. I'll show you guys. Right here. Push it into this groove. And then you pop it down. That's what it looks like that. Modification's done. Looks pretty good. Flip the cover up. Plug my accessories back in. Good to go. That's all it looks like, guys. Black switches, red panel. Looks great. I hope the information's helpful, guys. You guys have a great rest of your day.